This is an example in which it is proved that absolute of x is no more than it is the square root of x square. And in solution, we see that for any number x, if we take the square of minus x for any x, it's always x square. So absolute of x whole square is also x square. Whatever the sign of x here for x. Thus, absolute of x is a number such that x is greater or equal to 0. And square of absolute of x is always equal to x square. So it is the square root of x square as proved. Now keep it in your mind that this relation is always true. Here are some questions and you have to answer these questions. There is an interval with the endpoints -8 and 2. Is it true that -7 lies in this interval? And similarly, what about 5? Is the 5 member of this interval? 4 lies in this interval or not? And similarly in D, 4 belongs to this interval. Is it true or not? Sum of 3 by 2 and 7 by 2 belongs to Z. You can easily solve these problems and answer these problems. Which numbers in the list? This is the list given. Belong to which of the interval? -54. Where lies -54? And -9 lies in which interval? Search the relevant interval and answer these options. Prove that if A is less than B, then A is less than 2A plus B divided by 3. And similarly, if A is less than B, then prove A minus 4B divided by 3 is less than minus. We will take this inequality A is less than B. Now we see that on the right hand side we have 2A. Therefore add 2A on both sides of the inequality. This is 3A, which is less than 2A plus B. And if we divide both sides by 3, we obtain the desired result. Similarly, we can prove the fourth question. Let you try to solve the fourth problem. Here are some very easy inequalities. Try to solve this exercise. Find the absolute value in this problem. Just you have to solve what is in the absolute first and then apply the absolute value of that number. For example, here you have minus 2 and absolute of minus 2 is always 2. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can solve the other problems. Find all x such that absolute of x is equal to 8. And find all x such that the minus of x is always equal to absolute of minus x is always equal to 9. In question number 28, you have the answers 8 and minus 8. And what about this problem? You can solve this question yourself. Here are also some inequalities. You will try to solve these inequalities. Express each of the inequalities in the form of x belongs to the interval. Just you have to show the result in the form of interval. Just you can say that x belongs to 3 to 4. And similarly, the other questions you can solve. Express each of the statement in these exercises in terms of inequalities. You have to show these results in terms of inequalities, just like this answer. And try to solve question number 39 and 40.